In the era of industrial intelligence, equipment health is paramount. Unexpected downtime leads to millions in losses. Rising safety risks, hard to trace root causes. Traditional predictive maintenance requires extensive research and custom algorithms. It's time for a smarter way. Shift from passive waiting to active maintenance. Advantech PHM solutions. Deeply integrating AI diagnostic models into equipment diagnostic smart box. Integrated design of hardware, software, and algorithms. Specialized for industrial rotating equipment. Full coverage of smart alerts, fault diagnosis, and health diagnosis. Advantech PHM solutions ensure production stability and operational safety. Redefining the efficiency of equipment health management. 6-dimensional intelligence of Advantech PHM solutions. High-precision sensors capture real-time vibration and temperature data with full support for both wired and wireless connectivity. Built-in 12+ equipment fault AI mechanism models. Multi-dimensional warning mechanisms precisely capture equipment health status and deterioration trends. Warning accuracy exceeds 90%. Integrating a fault knowledge graph, AI mechanisms, and expert expertise enables rapid fault diagnosis and provides actionable insights for maintenance. Zero-barrier operation from selection to configuration, rapid deployment, hassle-free experience. Advantech PHM focuses on edge computing applications, while seamlessly integrating with the intelligent equipment management platform. Achieving closed-loop O&M management. Advantech PHM solutions empowers OEMs and system integrators with lightweight, ready-to-deploy predictive maintenance solutions. Extensively adopted across diverse sectors, including automotive industry, semiconductor industry, electronics, food and pharma, and steel industry. Advantech PHM solutions. Stay one step ahead in equipment health management. Your equipment deserves smarter protection.